Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, to give you guys an update of what happened, the last video that I posted was in the creation about 4 months ago, and then a lot of stuff happened in between then and now. And to give you guys a quick update, the car's been back to the dyno after sorting out all the boosting issues that we had. The car is making at this point, it's making a 77.8 kilowatts and 198.4 newton meters of torque at 0.6 bar of boost. Well, 0.7, because it peaks there for at least like half a second, then it goes back to 0.6, but that's just under hard acceleration. But yeah, everything's going good. The car's doing great. It's been running for 2 months, and she has gone through quite a few styling changes as well. I am going to give you guys, I'm going to bring you guys along for the journey today when I go and I sort out the extra mods, well, cosmetic mods that I got for the car, and give you guys a proper update on how things are going right now. But yeah, let's just go enjoy. I'm going to go and hit the gym now, and then we'll catch you guys when I get back. But yeah, on the way there, let's just give you guys just go for a cruise. Why not? Enjoy the little bit of power that we gain. It's making more than double the power from stock, and it's all making literally more than double the torque. And she's a little monster, eh? But hey guys, let's do this. Go for a cruise, enjoy it, and then I'll catch you guys when we get back to the house, and I'll give you guys an update on how things have been going. That's probably a whole stuff about this fucking okay. But anyways, second gear. Fourth. Whoever misses fourth gear? Seriously? Everything performance wise, the first thing that I needed to change was the clutch. The clutch never kept to the power. I was taking a really big risk taking the car to the dyno with a clutch that was on its way out. And funny enough, I'm going to post a clip in the video. I'm going to post a clip now so you guys can see how bad the clutch slip was when I just got the car back from the dyno. Clutch slipping and that. Because the clutch was made for like 5 kilowatts and 2 newtons, and I'm making 80 and 200, so I didn't expect it to keep the power for much longer. But I never got a clutch for the car, and what happened was, in the meantime, the clutch went in and they reinforced it a bit, and it's got a little bit more forcing or clamping power. That took me a total of 2 weeks because of waiting and hoping for the clutch to come back as a button clutch. But everything seems to be good now. I still have to fine tune the clutch still a little bit. It still doesn't like going into first, but hey, we'll sort all those things out later on during the course of the day, because that's one of the things that I'm going to be addressing. But yeah, here we go. This is fourth gear. Jeez, this is a ripper, eh? She's a little freaking monster. Oh, but I enjoy this car so much now, guys. Economy wise, to be quite honest, this car is absolutely horrible. She gets half the range on a tank, and I can't go less than a quarter tank. Then the car starts getting fuel surge because of my smart ass taking out the surge tank out of the hopper, taking my surge tank out of the fuel tank, and with that can't go hard acceleration under quarter tank. I can't go a long right hand corner, because that's when the car gets the most amount of fuel surge, and as soon as you take fuel away from the motor, then you start getting into trouble because of a boosted car. But hey, sacrifices had to be made, mistakes needed to be made. That's called school fees, and I've been paying my fair share. The interesting thing, well, let's just get back to the regular scheduled program, where we get back to working on the car. We're going to be prepping the car and getting it ready to go to Mexico tonight for some racing. So why not? I've got a race lined up against a stupid little car, smart car. So yeah, let's see how that goes. But yeah, catch you guys a little bit later. Okay, so we've got a guest on our channel. My brother Rocco is behind the camera. Just
hi guys.
He's going to be holding the camera. He's going to be assisting me today with the project, well, the task at hand, get everything done for tonight. So let's just sort that out, and then we're going to give the car a nice wash, and then I'm going to be revealing the wheels to you guys during the course of the wash. So here we go.
Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock, with my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front, and remember that the world's yours. Do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long. Think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, to be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. When life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff, I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now, when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 you know I've been waiting. But will you wait for me?
so that's a wrap on today's video. As you guys saw, some drag racing, me losing, but not surprising, but pretty impressive for a 1.2. But yeah, we're gonna catch you guys next time. Please, if you like the videos, please comment, like and subscribe. But yeah, I think I'm very excited for tonight's video with all the videography done by Rocco. I'll put his Instagram down below. But yeah, thanks guys, I really do appreciate you guys signing in and catching us for this episode and going with revealing our new wheels. So we'll catch you guys with the next one. Cheers. Fine.